Hello, what's up guys? So today I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna be showing you my birds. I have 12, I think. I don't know, I think. Okay, Mr. Amina always being a grumpy girl, a grumpy little lady. Luna's in there by herself. And those budgies and a cockatiel and a zebrafinch are behind the cage. So I'm giving everyone a little free time, but I can't get Luna out. Luna doesn't want to have free time, and they can't have free time yet. And you can see everyone's behind there. Come on, I want to see you out. Come on, out. I want to see you all free, like last time. Rainbow. I want to see everyone out, or else I'm going to get the sticks. I'm going to get the stick and I'm going to get you out. Come on, everyone. Don't want to see anyone in here. Not you, Rainbow. I want to see everyone out. Come on, everyone out, including you. Come on, I'm gonna out that way. Come on, everyone. I'm saying everyone. Come on. Come on, everyone. Come on, you can feel. Come on. Come on now. I want to see everyone out and about. Becky. Is everyone out and about? Becky, what are you doing over there? Come on, go join the others. I want to see everyone flying. I want to see everyone happy and flying. Come on, Rainbow. You're a good flyer. Rainbow. Oh. I want everyone out and about. Come on, who's not moving? Come on, Peck. Come on, Pecky. No time to looking outside. I'm just going to see what the birds are going to do. If the birds are going to do this, I'm just going to watch. Say goodbye, guys. Just what I'm doing. Say goodbye.